Hi, and welcome to Argen, Canada. My name is Miranda, and I'm here today to help you with online ordering. To get started, you'll need an account. For those of you who are familiar with ordering digital products, you can use the same login credentials. If you do not have an account, please contact us to get your account created. Once you have your account info ready, you can log in here and you're now ready to order. You can use the Products menu bar to search for the products you're looking for. Or if you know the item number of the product that you would like to order, you can enter this number into the search bar. To order alloy, type in the number of the desired alloy. Select the desired alloy, select the quantity, and click Add to Cart. To order zirconia discs, type in the type of zirconia. Select the appropriate type, select the desired thickness and quantity, and add to cart once you're finished. The same will apply for PMMA and wax discs. For roll-in products, type in Roland. Select the products you are looking for. Choose the product and quantity and add to your cart. To review your order, click on the shopping cart located on the top right of the screen. If you are satisfied with your order, click on Proceed to Checkout. Confirm that shipping address is correct. Choose the appropriate shipping method and check this box to accept the terms and conditions. Then click Confirm and place order. Thank you for your time. We look forward to your next order with Argen, Canada. If you have any issues or concerns, please contact us toll-free at 1-877-527-8535.